So in one of those videos I did how different DSRs respond to sound. Now I want to show you how different compressors shaping your sound, not just the compression, but the sound itself of the compressor. One of my friends just like EQ, CQ, compressor. So today we're just checking out compressors, and I want to show you compressor is not compressor. The sound of one compressor different from the sound of another compressor, you see. So let's just check it out. I have here virtual mix rack, and we have just some few stuff here. This is the FG116, then FG stress and FG401s. Okay, so let's just see the different sound of these compressors. And I have two things here we want to check out.
Tomorrow is here today. That's it for today.
Okay, then this other one. So let me start with the beat. So let's just check the sound of different compressors. FG116 off, on, off. Notice the compressor is not even doing anything, and the sound kind of changed. We have a noise reduction stuff here, so it has its own sound. Let's go for the distress so I hear it. FG stress, okay, off, on, off, on. I don't know if you hear it, but there's some body to the sound. You know, listen to the mid body range. Off again. On. Off. On. And the compressor is not even doing anything. So there's certainly a sound to it. Let's come to this FG401. On. Off, on, off. You can hear changes in the sound without the compressor even working. Maybe some of them may be down to the makeup gain, but if you can check here, there is transformer. So the transformer has its own sound. Let's go to the next one. This CLA by Waves, on. Off, on, off, on. There's some volume difference there, but you can see here the brightness. On, off. This last one is CLA-76. I think we can show this more with the 76. So what I'm trying to show you is that compressors have different sounds on their own, even without gain reduction or doing the compression work. I think I'll show this from this CLA compressor. Let's see. So let me just show you from this 76, the blue and the black. So the blue, black, the blue, the black. You can hear the clear difference there. And it's just the same compressor, same settings, same everything. But the difference in the sound is there. So different compressors have different sound. That's the point I want to make in this video. Different compressors have different sound, even without you touching anything, without you tweaking anything. Just put the compressor on, it has its own sound. There are lots of tracks you may want to use different compressors on them, but I have my own favorite compressors I love because I love their sound normally. I want to try this on vocals. Just the blue and the black. The black.
Tomorrow is here today.
Blue.
That's it for.
You see how the blue opens up? It's kind of high end, while the black is kind of dark. So the blue, black,
Tomorrow is here today.
black. I want to show you this mix rack has its own sound. I don't know whether anybody has talked about it before, but I've noticed it, and I don't know if any other sound engineer have noticed it there. Let me remove all the compressors. It has its own sound to it. I've noticed it when I was working on one track. Just this empty rack has its own sound. I don't know if anybody have talked about it. I don't know if I've heard anybody talk about it, but there are some things I noticed personally that I don't think anybody talk about, but I've just noticed it and I share them on my channel. And people go like, wow, I've not heard that anywhere. Some people be like, wow, I'm just seeing that for the first time in this channel. I'll just talk about this one or two in this video. This channel rack has its own sound. I'll go back to the instrumental. So mix rack with nothing. Mix rack with nothing on it. Off. On. Listen to the high end. Off again. On. I hate that. The high end just opens up. If you use good set of headsets or something so you can hear it, but I believe high end you can hear it on different mediums, so I believe you should hear it. So off, on, off. Listen to the high end. Off, on. I can hear it. I don't even need any other producer to confirm to confirm this one. See, if you're just starting out and you're just an upcoming producer or maybe you don't listen to sound, I can hear it, so I can tell you for free that this sound virtual mix rack, even if you don't put any plugin on it, it has its own sound. I can tell you straight up. If you've not heard it from anybody, you've heard it from me. You don't even need to prove it. I'm telling you for free. Okay. My point is just to give you the point that different compressors have their own sound to it. And I think I've done the video for different DSLs have their own sound. I will leave it in the video card right now so you can check it out. Tell me what you think about this video. If it's helpful, tell me thank you. Just that thank you. Man, made me to like, man. After a while stopping YouTube video, I'm like, maybe I should do YouTube videos because people are benefiting from this thing, you know? Leave the comments coming in. If it's helpful to you, let me know. Like, it's like you give me $1 million. Like this video if you like it. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell when I drop new content. There might be something that no other producer is sharing, no other person I've seen, like I do in many videos, like nobody's talking about, like you won't see it anywhere. Even if you check on Google, you may not see it. But I share it with you, you know, because the more you give, the more you get. You understand? The more I give you, the more I get. Like I'll just receive the information. I'm a Pro to this on Pro Studio. That's it.